There's one setting inside Google AI Studio that most people completely ignore, and it's the reason you're getting generic AI results. It's called system instruction, and once you turn it on the right way, it feels like you're using a completely different AI.
Right now, every time you open Gemini in AI Studio, it starts fresh. No context, no rules, no personality. It's like hiring someone new every single day and giving them zero job description. Of course the results are basic. You never told it who to be.
System instructions change that completely. This runs before every single prompt you send. It programs Gemini's entire personality, expertise level, and rules globally. You set it once, and every response follows your rules automatically.
But here's where it gets really good. Here are 3 system instructions you can copy and paste right now, built for different use cases. Copy whichever fits your work, paste it in, done. System instructions is honestly the most underused feature in Google AI Studio. It takes 30 seconds to set up, and it changes every result you get from that point forward. If this saved you time, hit that like button and subscribe.